Imagine waking up with a small pimple. Few weeks later, the doctors are telling you that you might need to get an amputation in the limbs just because the worst condition can be that the infection is reached to your brain and that lead to the brain abscess. And in the worst most conditions, the case can be as worse as the forced amputation. Hello everyone, so I'm back with another case which is as similar to. So let me tell you, this woman is getting a amputation in the limbs and she doesn't have any idea that how she got the infection. So we asked her that is she aware about this infection, that कैसे हुआ होगा उन्हें ये infection. So she is clueless, and then after reading the reports we got to know how she must have got this amputation condition. So let me tell you that we just decided to tell the patient firstly that what all happened. So I will be sharing you the story that what kind of things happened with that woman and how she ended up into the condition of getting an amputation. So after knowing that this woman is not even having any idea that how she got an infection, so we asked her some queries. After discussing with the whole team, we got to know that what would be the scenario and we explained it to the same patient. So firstly I will tell you what we discussed with the patient and we made her know that how this infection got inside her. तो MRSA कंडीशन में ये बैक्टीरिया होता है, ये स्टेफाइलोकोकस ऑरेसियस हम इसको बोलते हैं अगर हम मेडिकल टर्म्स में बोलें. और जब मैं आपको लेमन लैंग्वेज में बताऊं कि मैं जैसे कोई भी बैक्टीरिया है हमारी बॉडी में एंटर करता है तो उसे कोई पाथवे चाहिए, उसको कट्स, जैसे आपकी बॉडी में कट लग गए या बाई चांस कोई भी वुंड है, कोई घाव है, तो उसके थ्रू ये बैक्टीरिया एंटर कर जाता है आपकी बॉडी के अंदर. जब आपकी बॉडी के अंदर जो ब्लड स्ट्रीम है जब उसमें मिक्स होगा तो वो एक टारगेटेड रीजन में पहुंचेगा जिससे इन्फेक्शन और जल्दी बढ़ता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो ब्लड स्ट्रीम में मिक्स हो गया. सो वी एक्सप्लेन्ड हर दैट. Now I will be telling you how to prevent this bacteria to get entered inside our body and we don't get the infection. So how to prevent this MRSA bacteria at the first place. Now there are pointers for women who are watching this, or ladies, school, college going girls. If you are watching this, make sure you don't share razors, you don't use makeup brushes which are used by your friend, don't borrow or take other personal items which can infect you. Then the second thing you have to do is you make sure if any kind of pimple, cuts or pores are there, disinfect them. Don't put your makeup brushes on those same pimples which can make MRSA bacteria to enter through your skin. Or any kind of cut is there, make a clean bandage, clean that, make a clean bandage, or don't put anything there, just disinfect that particular wound. Then if you are a boy or any kind of, if you're watching this video, try doing the disinfectant on the surfaces which you are touching. Most probably it can be a doorknob. And the best thing which you need to do is you have to disinfect your gym equipments before using, because those gym equipments too have this MRSA bacteria which can enter through any kind of cuts in your hands. So make sure if you are watching this, try to share with each and everyone who is around you or you know someone, because MRSA is evidently everywhere and whenever they get to enter into the body or through cuts, or it can be from a pimple, it can be through any kind of wound, they used to harbor that bacteria. So make sure. So thank you so much for watching this video on MRSA infection which lead to amputation, and hope this information will make more people get aware of this bacteria which is present in the environment and they can protect themselves. Thank you so much and stay tuned.